Excuse me. Which way does it count? If this is 47, if this is 46, where's 47? That way or that way? All right. Thank you. Alright, so we are just heading from Road. This can get difficult sometimes. So we are heading from Rosedale and we just reached a Grand Central. I'm gonna look for 47. I'm gonna come off of 47. Alright, this is 47. This is 47, so damn.
Be careful while riding this escalator. Please face forward while riding this escalator.
Baby strollers, push carts, and pull carts are not permitted on the escalator. For your children's safety, do not allow them to play on or near the escalator.
Please do not sit on the steps or the handrail. Please watch your step getting on and off. Please be careful while riding the escalator. Please face forward while riding this escalator.
Baby strollers, push carts, and pull carts are not permitted on the escalator. For your children's safety, do not allow them to play on or near the escalator.
Please do not sit on the steps or the handrail. Please watch your step getting on and off. Please be careful while riding the escalator.
Jeez, this is
Please
super long.
while riding this escalator.
Damn.
Baby strollers, push carts, and pull carts are not permitted on the escalator. For your children's safety, do not allow them to play on or near the escalator.
Please do not sit on the steps or the handrail. Please watch your step getting on and off. Please be careful while riding the escalator. Please face forward while riding this escalator.
Huh? What you say?
Down there with you.
Oh, you did down there?
Yeah,
That's your bad boy. Yeah. Freak, I want that. Me don't remember that one there. Mad long, brother. Long like me up on the escalator from Freetown. Yeah. So you didn't realize, you didn't see it? Someone said this is 10th floor. You understand me, general? So me just walk through. Alright, this is the one that I got more discreet, so we can just move without. You understand what I say? It's not as great as the other one, but me say since me there outside, so I go on. Hey, me messed up. I end up $8 me pay for the ticket, cause I couldn't figure out how to get reached until afterwards, after me pay for it. And then somebody said to me, say, I really that fee. Then I said, alright, maybe if you use the app, it's probably different. But I realize after I start playing the machine now, me figure it out. And see the ticket for $5 for come same place there. So I'm like, shit. But it's a learning process, yeah. Because even the lady would show me what I want. She said she didn't even know that. I mean, like, I'm fine. And then no, she said, no, that's what, she said, all these years, this is what she been doing. And didn't know that you could do this.
Yeah. This is new still after the pandemic.
Oh, it new?
Yeah.
Oh. Ah. Oh, man. Oh, they're there. So we go straight to B&H first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could just go get that. No, it feels more like walk by. Can I just do what I do? I actually order one strap. Where instead of make it go up and down, it just did it and keep it straight.
Oh, okay.
So I can. But I just decided to test it. At first I really test it out right in the working field. I cannot just test it a couple times like just 1 and 2 testing, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now I'm just now we're out in the field, so we're going to see what really going on. So we shot that go now. Long Island, same place down there. So this was where. Oh, it's a 45.
Yeah. That's
Oh.
why I make sure they get off on 47.
47.
Right. There's a different entrance, exit.
Me did stop a lady and say, yo, come first, me I go other way, me I say, yo, no, me just ask somebody before me turn. And she said, yeah, man. Me ask her, this way if we go. 47.
No, what happened is this train was supposed to be at 7:07. Yeah,
Brother,
7:16. I said, no,
the train smooth and nice, me drop asleep, brad, man, and I couldn't stay awake. And I dozed off, me I feel watch. When me go on the time, I get up and look and see the train stop, and then I see Grand Central Station on the train. I swear I come off of the wrong spot, but me actually I did stop before Grand Central Station. So I realized I switch now after it stop. And then it just stay up on Grand Central Station. You know what I say? I want what them say. Oh, I think when the pass this stop, oh, see that one of the church. This one never did that. Eh? I just did one. So then the tea and things so. Alright. After me I say, come in Tiger Bone. I eat the road. Tiger Man say, I sit out this one. I say, cool. Man, I think about the cool too much. And then I say, if he can wear him slippers. I'm like, where his slippers go away? I say, shoes heavy on your foot for a walk. I say, bad man, you know what? You give me too much excuse. Go and build. Turn on TV, set up and give me the remote and say, look more. I say, I have 5 stitches in my toe. I'm outside, I not wear slippers much less. Slippers. You know, it's a cooler. 10 floor, I have on the black layer, you know. I have on the marine, I have on the black layer, you know. I have on the grey one, you know. I put on this over it, you know. And I step out, you know. But I should know if I see how just the camera on I train. I said, no, say, wicked out there. You wicked, man.
You have to remember that. Another night, the temperature drop.
Alright. Yeah. My blouse and skirt. Serious, you know boy. But I saw me like it. I can't travel and come up here and I saw that, brother. God, no. I don't get so much hot when you have to turn on AC, yo. 10, Apple Store.
Apple Store?
Yeah.
Which way to the Apple Store?
No,
That was 5th Avenue?
It was 5th Avenue in 57.
Yes.
50 Okay, so.
Which should point them which direction?
Okay, listen. So you're gonna walk straight all the way down this way.
We came from the
No, okay.
He's gonna tell you exactly where to go.
We just
You're
right
going to-
here.
You're going to the 5th. Which one you going to? The one on 5th and 57th Street?
No. The Apple Grand Central.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Apple
You know
Grand
what that
Central.
means, let me see.
It's on 43rd Street.
45th Street,
43rd.
43rd. So you got to go upstairs now.
Yeah.
You got to go up, and then once you go outside,
That's why
this is 42nd Street.
we
Just
go-
follow me. Just follow me.
So 10, which Apple Store that? I don't know that the Apple Store.
Yeah, I know. I only know the Apple Store.
On 5th,
The
yeah.
one near the Central Park, right?
Yes, yes.
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 There's one up here too.
Oh, you saw it on the map.
Yeah.
You don't know this one.
But we could not exit this whole place.
This is a mad big place.
3rd Street. So you just got to go outside now. You got to get out. You got to go outside. Once you go outside, you know where to go. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, just use the elevator.
Just one up.
I've never taken this, but I'm gonna wait till it comes down and I'll take a look and I'll tell you where to get off because you want to go to the street level.
Yeah.
And once you go outside, you'll see 43rd Street. Oh yeah.
This is an entire world down here, bro. It's not that easy. Let me see which one is it. Alright, so
Street. You see the star? Oh, I just went there. This one.
street, yeah, just press the street one. Alright, cool. Alright, you too. Yeah, so me normally go up there to, you know, me look and me see one of them mark street and I say, I must hit this.
Street level always have a star next to it.
Street level? Me just see word street and that me I press. Come in now, man. Rockaway, Babylon, 10th floor. Them people really take a train go to Babylon? Each train? What is now? So we have to pay if we come out?
No, you're not going. We're going into the train now.
Oh, we're going next train? Some people really, I knew I could take train go to Babylon, my youth. I can't read the Babylon, missy. 10, answer me no man. Is it Babylon there? Or me spell it wrong? 10 na answer star. Bruce Wayne. You look like Bruce Wayne in another jacket then. You look like Bruce Wayne in another jacket then.
Yeah.
It's a trainer different though. It's a trainer well decorated. What do you call a trainer?
Shuttle.
The what?
Shuttle.
Shuttle. Oh, the west side. Shortest track. How was that? Damn.
The next zone
10. Who messed with this guy? Are we troubling? Are we troubling? The guy. But the intercom.
What happened?
Did I hear him?
No.
Where my show? Are we troubling? For your time?
Yeah.
Man, a shout a cuss. Esse. Lalita. Eita. So we are under the ground. No, me not come out from underneath the ground. And it look like we're going deeper down. Yeah. America, boy. Some things that people don't normally see. Swear to God. This is the first time I'm actually taking this road. Like, this is so new to me. Jaja. Why everybody's on a rush? Bro, there's
Clear up the closing doors, please.
taking another train.
This is 34th Street, Penn Station. Attention everyone, if you have questions or need to
So we're heading to the B&H.
transfer is available to the M34 Select Bus Service. Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad, New Jersey Transit, and Amtrak. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
We're still going deeper down or something. 10. Explain something to me. Bro, amount of down we go. We're supposed to reach the core of the earth by now. Big man thing, like I've never been this deep down underground. Damn. This is beautiful though. Where did he go? I've never been this deep underground, bro. I can't even tell. This is crazy. I was just looking at something. That way there. But then I wonder which way you go. My last 150 time already. You know what me would I do? You know what me would I do 10? You know what me would I do? Get the hell out on the surface. When we reach on the surface now, you may have to go walk right around the block. Walk right around the block. Damn. My youth. This is a city underneath the ground.
Yeah.
See, I tell me, them building are on top of what we did there a while ago, you know?
Yeah.
All of this. This is crazy.
Let's cover this and organic.
Damn. Now we can feel the free AC. I just did it. Which street you sign over the phone?
B&H. Right by the corner, yeah.
Oh. Man, nothing. Oh, it's a B&H. So we got B&H. We got pick up something.
So everyone gave the mechanic.
Oh wow. Cybertruck. Cybertruck. Oh. Kind of boost still. That one nice. There's a fridge. Hold up.
We're pick up right now.
Yeah, pick up. Yeah, pick up.
Yeah, pick up. But I've asked no question. You guys close it? We close at 7 officially. Then pick up from 7 to 8.
Oh, what a lucky thing. We reach on time. Yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
Hi, good night. I'm doing a pickup. All right, let me do that real quick. Is it on this one? Or is the other one? Is it on this one? And that's the other one. Huh? So let me see, just carry early. Tell them the order number and you wait, let me see when we say the order number is.
You have pick up order?
Oh yeah, here's the order number. Yeah, that's the order number. Huh? Is there another number? Oh shoot, this is Starlink connection. Oh, here it is. Is this it? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Both of them look alike.
Huh?
They almost look alike. I didn't realize we are buying so much things. Oh, I have to go carry my ID. Finally, I can take off this thing off of my head.
Do you have ID?
Oh yeah, sure. Oh, can I show you my ID? Can I show my ID in the phone? Yeah. Alright.
Still happen, and then what's crazy is you know they make you take a trade all the way to the opposite end, just to leave or to get it back.
BNH.
Thank you.
All right.
What is coming?
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Why is it?
Yeah, he's with me. Yeah. Also, they officially closed. Them only I do what? You sweet to them free? Sweet to them free? What then say? I gotta play credit card. Oh gosh. Oh yeah? Oh, sign. Oh. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you.
Be safe, all right?
That's all right. Thank you. Right on time 10. Like if we reach here 8 minutes to the time. Respect. Right on time, bro.
There's this studio that I wanted to go to. I know I told you about it before. You said you wanted to go to that studio.
Yeah.
Try to call the person, but we're gonna walk over there.
That way there?
Yeah, we're gonna walk on this thing called.
It's a nice studio. What the hell me go in there and feel like I want to sing and be an artist again? How that I go?
Well, you have to go talk to the engineers then.
Afraid of that, you know.
You would have to go.
13 seconds. All right. Which other way there? You go call him?
Yeah, I'm gonna call the person. Right.
Yeah, I must say I go on a treat. Just I go go a recording studio and see what go on in there. I've never seen a recording studio in America either. So I could see if they kind of set up like how we set up our thing a yard.
They're available.
So let's see what go on.
So Pam,
Boy, temperature cold. Cold. Yo, up on the place, man. Yo, cha-cha. Foreign. Alright, so I have no idea where I am. So, I don't know where that go. We just go through, look upon the place. And the aim of this was to just left from the train station and walk to the B&H. But when they don't know so far, I don't see exactly what I go on when it comes down to B&H. And out at train station. It's the first time I do something like that. So a mad thing, we just say as 10 say one we see one recording studio. Look at this. So if you all like massive them and not see foreign net, you don't know, big up. Alright, bless up to all my subscribers them. You don't know all my supporters them. All like New York, massive, a mad thing. I would never see foreign it. Yeah, Jamaica walk by in New York and I see what I go on, you see me? Jaja know. First world country. 10th Avenue. Jaja. Yo, the breeze make it wicked. So me know about you have to have your map on your phone, brother. You're lost. Eh? I would at the white man. You're the white man said 20 seconds, you know. Yeah. Ross and data. See, that's it. So them not wait for the light when people across the road. Yeah. This kind of look like Billionaire Row.
This is close to the West Side Highway that you did when you saw all the joggers.
Oh yeah. Why not them building a food place? What is? Bienvenidas. What that mean? Las tolas. Look at like are them people the type of thing. Me never get one taco when me can say yes boy. Me don't know what me I miss. I don't know what me I miss when it comes down to the taco. No hard feelings, me Mexican and them people, but I don't know what's going on. I found nothing still. But I probably I wonder how we eat ackee and saltfish. People they start to foreign already look good now, man. Watcha. It cool like ice, massive. Brother, it ain't cool cross and watch a brother here. I walk a come in a one little t-shirt and shorts. How kind of man this? What kind of man this? Tell me what kind of man this is. Look how cool. And look at the man. You know, one t-shirt, our shorts, like no, there's no problem, man. I'm a freeze virgin. Mad this pretty. Watch out, brother. Man have a shirt and a t-shirt. Yo, it's very excellent. You know what? We can walk in it. We can walk in the middle. And then we'll go across. Alright, so see the white man there? We have to cross and the white man to cross. Yeah. Well, at least I see some part of Christmas. Yeah, man, tell me how long. Yeah, man. Wait, man. 34th Street, Hudson Yard, subway station. So massive underground. So underground there under this too? That's where we walk, man?
Tell me about the map.
Yo, I think I find it. Invite only studio.
Oh, I studio this?
Yeah, I think that's the name of it.
Invite only.
Yeah.
Oh. So we got a studio here. Invite only studio. I mean, oh, they said it's at 207 West 25th Street, New York. Alright, this is how we are go. You see me? Invite only studio. Who studio that? Mad thing. So we are going to learn about invite only studio today. And we are going there. So far I realize we're going straight across. Alright, come in. Invite only studio. Top studio in New York. But wait. Oh, bro, this is the alright, that's over there. We just pick up which over there now. Big man thing, we just pick up which over there now. The freaking egg. The vessel. Remember I walk the island, come on the vessel, you know. From that side, yeah. I'm come on the vessel.
You walk the island?
Yeah, man, I walk the island, man. And we just didn't come and we just didn't stop right there and close the video with Jason and Gina. We just never go that way. Oh, this is it. Can see the vessel there? Yeah, man, we walk the island, man. Check out the vessel already. Oh, key shot. Watch out. Hey, pretty, you know? A mad thing, man. So I say we got invite only studio. If you're still a watch, we just hold a vibe and I go through and thing. Yeah, man. Place mad cool and Anzafina in a pocket. You better know. Oof. And what them now 10? Buy ticket. Or like view the HM in the day and thing. Not the HM, the vessel. Mad. They open it back?
You know something short, brother?
You never go on it?
No.
What make? They not explore the island. This is the vessel, bro. I probably want a real spaceship. We just don't know it yet. And then you have the thing round on the other side. I remember what they call it. I first extendable all or something like it can move. It depends on wheel. That thing there around this. Then I don't mean sure I tell you this now. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, for real, because I all read the story upon it one time I was doing the video. So it can open. See the wheel in there? See the wheel in there? Shall we go now? Straight. Alright, no problem, man. I'll go check out. The vessel. Blessed, respect. Alright, massive. One thing I can tell you now about this place here. You see, once you pass somebody and them tell you I, or them heal you, I sell them something. A business them do. Because them people and tell you morning and good evening for free. You hear? And in Jamaica. So once you pass somewhere and they say to you, hi, good morning, or good afternoon, or hello. Remember me tell you I sell you something here in a free. See the 10, as me I say, with the wheel them, see the wheel them there are the only all room, or I don't know what they call it. One room. Viola's room. It can move, extend longer than if they want more space. Can you believe that shit? Crazy. So tell we are going on the island? Oh.
Yeah.
Yo, we are going down the island?
No.
Oh. Alright, so this is the island gate. Actually, the walk this man. It's a really good experience, man. Nice visa experience. So the island that, so you never walk the island either?
Me?
Yeah. So massive. So the Easter boat, this is what used to be the railway station. As you can see, some of the rail line is still there as, I guess, artifacts or historical stuff that people can see if we talk about. Make it cool, you know what I mean? So right here, so we think we're up on the ground, we're not up on the ground, we're actually up in the air. Let me show you. See? The road is below here. Look. So all along we walk, you would think that we are actually on the main ground. No, we are actually in the air. That's why they call it the island. Because we up in the air, I walk and it seems like it's the ground. Pretty cool, though. A mad thing, man. Alright, we're going to walk. Foreign sweet, brother. Nice vibe. And I love every single one of my experience. Says to do this. Love it. Just to explore. And look how much time I try for visa and couldn't get it. Look how much time. Look how much time. I see that. I don't have no intention to run out. I just wanted to see the country. Oh man, alright.
Coach office up there.
Wow. And this is the bird, the dove, the pigeon. looks so real. The detail, so real. So, so we'll go down, alright. Thank you. We'll go down 10? 10? We'll go down?
No.
Oh.
It's 7 hours.
Very confusing place. You have to know where you are though. Man. Yeah, the light on. No, yeah, the light on. Nah, just turn off the flash. It's just not to make, you know, people uncomfortable, so get what I say. But it don't really make a difference, because I'm not really sure. Mad, beautiful brother. Crazy, yeah. Nice. Okay, all over here, so to up in the year. Jaja, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, brother. This is super nice. Pretty massive, trust me, I walk between it. Beautiful. Massive, when I see this. Mad. Then, kind of like, you be tourists now in your own country. Oh my word. Whole Foods market. different side of Manhattan this, you know. First me ever see somebody a pee on the road, especially in a them place. That's crazy.
Eso es departamento ya. Eso es departamento.
Amazon. Alright, go down a hill. We're going. Yeah, not gonna make it, bro.
This is where you're like,
It's in here. Christmas start a foreign, brother.
I mean, these are big things, and if you don't.
The hell? Blessed.
Where you heading?
26 and 6th Avenue, 7th Avenue.
Yeah, they're going the right way.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Oh, we missed it.
Yeah, we missed it.
Do we get back the gas? In 10? 10? 10? Since we missed the turn, we get back the gas?
Yeah, we get back to that.
Because of his bond price.
Oh no! We are going way back. Alright, we'll go back. So we'll go back up the road to realize we missed the turn. City National Bank. We'll get it right now. City bike.
אלונה שהייתה דיילת, הייתה ישנה. נכון.
Oh, ¿el papel ahí? ¿Por qué está asustado? Dejamos aquí.
Alright, so we'll go up the street. This was where we came off. I escalate them, man. Mad thing, brother. Oh, mad cola, guys. Peace. Beautiful. One of them there, Jamaica, I can't live in there. Alright. Yeah, I see everybody most people are passing their hands in them pocket. Cow. Oh my word. Look up on my side. Every time I reach I see the white man. Right cross. Firing boy. Alright, so stop. Alright, the white man. Let's go. Smoke shop. Pure view.
I don't see you, right? So like I'm not. There's no real reason for me. Don't believe that. I swear. You can't miss a thing, yes, or I fucked you. I'm on the bottom. You know how this you said, oh, it's small, and you're like, oh, I don't know. That's we've never had sex.
What the hell are they talking about, man? What am I talking about? You hear that massive? Man, them behind that chat about what small too.
Okay, listen, let's just go there, and then we just do this cash. I really want to go there. I just want to see that. No, it's not. You sure?
Let's wait, lady. Come on. All right. Mash it up. Mad thing. Pan foreign, brother. Wish my Jamaican then could get a chance if you visit that place and just see it. Go and book a yard, she say. Real big. Real big a fret. Yeah, man. If you are watching and you're not yet subscribed to Jamaica Walk By, please, I beg you, subscribe. Because you're walking by. Well, up.
No, we can't go stop.
Stop.
Right here.
This thing not change. 3 times I'm this mad in here to get licked down because I'm not wait on the cross. Right? Never seen these parts, huh? This looks like some of the places we see in a movie, like how we're twirly and shoot the video. Man.
Like a larger like,
I mean, I'm sure there's gotta be.
Hey, if I know say this thing I record, you know, you just disappear, you know, dog. You're a sample, man, you know. I'm trying to tell you a lie. If I tell you say it's a record, you're gone. But everybody know you from the camera them already. You don't think it's too late for that? Think we could walk and chat and show me something, 10 gone, brother, 10 get locked up in a feather them to blow and skirt. Massive man disappear, brother. Next time I lie, me I go tell you, yo, that a record, man. I say, nah, man, we just have it. Nah, we just have it, man. And that me I go tell you next time. Nah, man, we just have it, man. We just go through.
Just always tell me the truth.
Nah, the truth now work out too well. Yeah. I chew my foot, man. Me nah walk too fast.
Yeah, I know. My boy said he would have wanted some Dunkin' Donuts. Ever seen a Dunkin' Donut?
Some Dunkin' Donut.
Some coffee.
What kind of white boy food that? Dunkin' Donut and coffee.
Oh, yeah, you
That's
easy
style.
for that.
Think man I say I want some jerk chicken.
And a food, you want food. Coffee.
Oh, me don't know which part you don't find that. Oh, you check him up? Although me just walk in, I don't know me there and this just feel good, you know, bro. So I'm good. Just go and see what I go on with life. I say life is nice. That's it. First time for me them side of boy. Yo, this place so big, bro. Uncle Tony kind of probably happy he never come. Cause you couldn't manage to walk you out or so. Uncle Tony. You better glad say he ain't come. Cause he couldn't manage to walk out or so he'll be dying. Yeah. Uncle Tony said, boy, I'm going to stay home for that one. I take a rest today. It's too cold, man. And the shoes heavy. Yeah, boy. Right now, you go back to Jamaica and belly full. Can't say come and jump after and come lock up in our house. And not see what I go on. Yo, this bad. What is? What is this? Yo, 10. This bad. Mad, you have sitting like this down on the yard. What is this, man? Look on it. Clean, bossy. Mad. Love that. You see one? This is one? Hi, good night. Good night, good night. Oh, yo, cool.
747.
7, that's cool.
Okay. So, one of y'all call and let them know, because they locked the elevator, let them know you're here, and they'll send somebody down.
Okay, let me let him know. Oh, this is
Yes.
you know, so they locked the elevator, so you got to send somebody down first.
Right here. Invite only, that's where we're going. Finally, look warm. Oh, okay. What me just say if I check to see if there is a Dunkin' Donut nearby when we did one.
Yeah, there's some coffee or something.
Some coffee.
And you know, go with and just cover some coffee or something. Yes, sir. Oh. We're in there now.
Nice, huh? Is it me or it's not moving?
All right.
Does it take long to move?
I think the only name is Duck. So when you go in there, just make sure you hear them up. So you sit down on the right. I think you sit down. I think he's supposed to be in there.
Oh,
so.
Duck.
Yeah, Duck. Yeah, famous.
Yeah, I think that's something like that my boy said. Duck.
Hey, how you doing?
Are you the famous doc?
Yeah, how you
There
feel?
you go,
man.
famous
Feel,
doc.
man,
How you
sorry.
doing?
Man, I'm here.
Over here running
Jamaica
doc.
walk by.
I'm sorry, man. How y'all
Bless
doing?
his
man?
respect. I'm here.
Jamaica walk by. He's a
Jamaica.
big
How
YouTuber.
y'all doing, man?
Jamaica, we doing good. We heard about
Great,
you.
man.
No worries. I'll be in there in 1 second. I was
Yeah.
running
Oh,
my phone.
you're on the phone.
Jimmy's
no
in.
problem.
Jimmy's right there.
No problem.
I'm sorry.
Nice
I'll see you in a
meeting you,
minute,
man.
man.
Respect, man.
Definitely.
That is it.
Pleasure meet you. I'll see you in a minute. Definitely.
Yeah.
All right.
So we're here, massive. Invites only. Invites only, man. Hey, man. Respect. Everything good? Man, that's cool.
10th floor.
Yes, I'm
10th floor.
You gotta walk by.
Yeah, me I walk by. But that's my brother. You see what I said? Place beautiful, man.
Invite only studios. That's what it is.
Man,
And that's the boss right there.
Swear.
Doc, my partner, TJ partner.
Papa Doc. Man,
Years ago.
Okay.
man, this is, bro, this is beautiful.
So Thursday, I was saying Thursday, I have a section I'm recording here Thursday, so you're invited. I don't know if you guys are still in town.
Well, invites only.
You see that? And that was organic.
You tell him, man.
Happened.
Let's make it happen. We definitely will.
You know,
Right.
seriously, you can come Thursday, that'd be great.
Yeah, no. Can you tell us a little bit about that itinerary? Like, what do you usually have? What do you usually do?
So on Thursday, so I had a record years ago called She's All I Got, and next year is the 25th anniversary of that song.
Oh,
She's all I got.
She's All I Got, yeah. So I'm remastering that song, and I'm putting some new artists on it, and just, making it like, and my boy Peter Guns, he's a rapper, he'll be here, and we actually putting a few secret things that are gonna happen. So we're
My.
on that day. You understand?
That I could. Yeah, me. Yeah, me, no.
The illest vocalist in the universe. On the low.
Here,
I
man,
wrote about
man.
it.
Low.
So we already got the mic set up for Thursday for you.
Hold on there. You talk. I realize you're patois. You're Jamaican.
So yeah, my mom is from Jamaica. We're from Port Royal, Jamaica.
Oh, Port Royal.
So
Over.
all day.
Yeah, over Rich
Yeah.
City.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Hurricane just mashed me up. So right now we're going to go rebuild.
I see what go on.
He has a few episodes of what's been going
Going
on.
on
there.
there.
He left after the hurricane. He's trying to go back there so he can just
How long are you going to be here?
until Friday.
Until Friday.
Till Friday night.
Yeah, this is pretty much 7 days. I was here Friday.
We'll take you to the restaurant Saints and show you the real time. Because that show ain't nobody gonna show you New York like we. We're different. we real Brooklyn, old school niggas. We make sure it's right for you. You feel me?
Yeah, bro. The style. Bro, look on the style. The style, man. Man. Look at this. This is crazy, man. Look at this. Man. Friday. This is crazy, bro. This is nice.
Makes sense.
Up in Vandermeer.
You have somebody in the studio?
So right now they're working. They do have somebody working now. So and I was waiting for Doc to finish to see if there's a room that maybe he can show you. But if he can't show you today, Thursday.
Yeah, no problem, man. It's good to see the setup. Look at it. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I like this. This is beautiful.
No, they really.
This is beautiful, bro.
They set this up. You know what I mean?
It's beautiful, man. Bless up, respect.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Engineers and assistants.
Engineer.
You can introduce yourself.
Move on.
Say again?
Move on. Move on.
Move on?
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, yeah. It sound like move on.
Right.
But move on.
Sounds like it.
Man.
And he
10th floor.
So he has an amazing little network called you can explain.
Yeah, so I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
I call Jamaica Walk By. So I do walking videos. I will take you around virtually in Jamaica. So you can see the raw. So when I'm filming, I don't really cut. So I let persons get to see the natural vibe. Because right now I'm currently filming.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, so it's on my chest right here. So so you get to see exactly that you people are great people and stuff like that. Yeah, right, pretty much like that. So I would go around if there's persons to get help. I would go and visit them, see what the conditions are. And yeah, definitely. I was heading to Port Royal when the storm was going to blow, but my friend called me and be like, "Yo, bro, the cars are blowing away." So them turn back and be like, "Nah."
Feeling caved in Jamaica. It's real.
That's
crazy.
Yeah, but it's a vibe though. Yeah. Jamaica Walk By is crazy. If you want to see it, and do it 4K, so it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Sometimes, so if I do this, if it was Jamaica now, I would probably come back another day and do it the drone shots. So while I'm walking, you'll be seeing
all the different states and all the stuff.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice, man. This is beautiful, bro. This is beautiful. Like, I once was well, I'm still a singer. I just don't do it professionally anymore.
Nice.
You know what I mean? But I like the setup, man. Setup.
Right. Then have another backspace. You know, Thursday will take you on a grand.
Studio is like me the Harmony House. That's Barry Salmon. You know Barry Salmon? Barry Salmon studio.
This is like my pops or my father.
Yeah.
All my recordings are Barry's. Like I was touring with Barry's for years and everything.
Bro.
You have to Google me properly so you know who's standing next.
Yeah, he was, Gangsta was saying it.
Yeah, Gangsta.
Yeah, that's why I bring up Barry's.
Yeah.
It's kind of telling you that it's like I'm at Barry's studio right now.
Shout out to Barry's.
Yeah, so he told me that you were on the road with Papa Barry's for a while and stuff.
We're doing.
But
They're great.
it make it look like just say you've been doing it young, man, because now you still look like a kid.
Well, God bless you, but I'm not a kid. I'm just gonna say my eldest daughter is 31, and shout out to my daughter Nali. She's a singer. Look out for Nali, Nali, artist, R&B, incredible.
Nali,
yeah, she's 23, and then my youngest is 22. So 22, 23, and Bree's also nailed. Sets by Bree, feel me?
Yeah.
Bree
Mad.
22, Nali 23, and Side. You're not supposed to tell the age, but I get certain age. 31.
A man just
Still
say
look
and child at 31, you know.
31.
And you look like 31, bro.
Bless you. Put a lot on that.
Probably can, and he can drop less too, you know.
God bless you for that.
Hey.
50, bro. How about that? This is what 50
Man,
looks
that's
like.
our respect. That's
When
what
you
me tell
praise God, I give God all the glory.
Yeah, when me tell people I'm 40, them still be like, oh man, shit.
How old are you?
I'm 40.
What? Not
See?
before me. I think you're 22.
Yeah, it's the walking, bro. Yeah, I've been doing music. It's like a part of my life once was all about music, and then like we live a next lifetime now doing YouTube.
No, but it's great. It's great because you reinvented yourself, and a lot of people don't understand in music and entertainment. So you start off, God's plan is always greater than our plan. So you start off this way because God wants you to prepare what the next venture is.
A mad thing, man.
You know what I mean? For all the stuff you learn as an artist and to deal with certain people and the foolishness and Ray and how to talk to people and how to perform in front of people. And now look at this.
Lots of level.
Even the first song when people hear it, they don't realize it's him.
Yeah, true. And then we just start.
What's the name? How the first song used to go? Give me that right there.
Sometimes I feel so alone. Oh, baby, hey. I called you up, but there's no one at home. Hey. Yeah, so it was on the M16 rhythm, computer part. So yes, massive big up and respect for watching. You know what I mean? We actually had to cut the video a little bit because you don't know we are going to raise down the whole vibe and we just meet and had a little conversation there in the studio, you see me? So big up to everybody who actually watched the video from we start. You don't know, train station type of vibe. Just a walk through, show you exactly where we do today. So first, that studio that we went to is called Invites Only Studio. You know what I mean? We out here in Manhattan, you don't know. Big up to Doc. Doc is the owner and CEO of this studio, Invites Only. Also, you don't know, me have to big up Jimmy, because Jimmy was the connection to reach to the studio. So I go on with the studio, whole look of vibe. But let me tell you, Thursday, we are gonna make a nice vibe and a nice podcast. You know me not leave him up. JG. You know me not leave out JG. Me say you know me not leave out JG. So JG, was the G that we were talking a little bit on his experience meeting Nicki Minaj and don't know. But the overall connection make by with General over there over Surgeon Barbershop. You don't know, Gangsta and
Barry.
Yeah. You don't know, so big up Barry every time, because Barry just say, yo, we have some connection we're gonna make. And as a singer, we say we're gonna do some work. So if you don't want to see me back in the music business, so you're getting up see say the thing out if you start back right, so make us see where it goes. So big up Invites on the studio, that big up every time. You don't know, Jimmy big up every time. Also Gangsta. And who is? What's his name again? JG.
Yes, sir.
But guess what, we can't left out 10th floor. You know what I mean? And I don't know anything go. Big up my brother 10th floor. You make with there and I go and do it same speed. See? So man at massive. I open to enjoy the walk. Open to enjoy the different angle and all of them good things. See, they look good. foreign. So make us see what the music thing go. Podcast coming up, we do a podcast, so you can look out for that. So that is gonna be epic. So mad thing, mad respect, heart of love. Thank you for watching. Big up all my subscribers, them, all my members too as well. Heart of love, you know what I mean? Big up to my members. If you want to be a member on Jamaica Walk By, please hit the link below in the description or right below the video you see one button called join and you jump on. See? Heart of love, mad something. See? That I could also, the merch. Remember the merch. Scroll go across and you say store. Support something of a Jamaica Walk By merch. Heart of love, mad.